Tired of your AI characters looking like they're from completely different dimensions every time you generate them? I'm going to show you how Nano Banana can be your secret weapon for designing consistent, recognizable, and truly appealing AI characters, project after project. First, head over to the Character Creator section. This is where the magic starts here. You'll input all the essential details that define your character's look. Be thorough. Specify everything from their name, age, and gender to their physical attributes like hair color, eye shape, and clothing style. Don't forget to add key personality traits, as these can subtly influence the AI's interpretation of your character. Next, upload reference images of your desired character. High-quality images will help the AI better understand the look you're aiming for. Include front, side, and back views if possible. Now, let's ensure design consistency. Nano Banana's style guide is your best friend. Select your preferred art style. Whether it's realistic, cartoonish, or anime-inspired, you can even choose to emulate the style of a specific artist. Finally, generate your character. Nano Banana ensures that the core elements you defined, facial features, hair, clothing, remain consistent, no matter the scene or pose you request. See the difference? No more inconsistent characters. Nano Banana empowers you to create recognizable and appealing characters that stay true to your vision across all your AI projects. So go ahead and explore Nano Banana. Your consistent character designs are waiting. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI character design tips.